Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be working on our math for this week. This is problem solving 5A. You will be responsible for 5B. We'll begin. Lydia and her friends jumped on a trampoline. Lydia jumped 5 more times than Gloria. Gloria jumped 2 more times than Latoya. And Latoya jumped 8 times less than Vondra. Vondra jumped 16 times. How many times did Lydia jump? So that is our question. We want to know how many times Lydia jumped. So we need to begin with what we know. We know that Vondra jumped a total of 16 times. So we're going to write V for Vondra, and she jumped 16 times. Latoya, so L for Latoya, she jumped 8 times less than Vondra. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So Latoya jumped a total of 8 times. If Latoya jumped 8 times and Gloria jumped 2 more times than Latoya, G for Gloria, then how many times did Gloria jump? So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now we need to find how much Lydia is. This is what our question is asking. How many times did Lydia jump? Well, Lydia jumped 5 more times than Gloria. We know that Gloria jumped 10 times. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So Lydia jumped 15 times. This is Tuesday 6A. You are responsible for 6B. Jackson is counting his crayons. He has 5 more reds than greens. He has 2 fewer greens than blues. He has 6 more blues than oranges. He has 4 oranges. How many reds does Jackson have? So our first problem solving strategy is underline the question. How many reds does Jackson have? Well, we begin with what we do know. We know that he has 4 orange crayons. So I'm going to write orange. And we know that he has 4. We know that he has 6 more blues than oranges. Well, more tells me that we're going to add. So we're going to write blue, and we're going to write plus 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. He has 10 blue crayons. Now we need to find, but we're looking for red, so we need to continue up. So now we're going to go to green. And he has 2 fewer greens than blues. Fewer means less, so we're going to subtract 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. He has 8 green, remember, no naked numbers, green crayons. These are blue, and those are orange. Now we need to know how many reds he has. Well, he has 5 more reds than greens. So now we're going to write red, and we're going to add the greens, the 8, the 8 green crayons, and we're going to add our 5 red crayons. So let's start. We can use our hands. We bring up 8 fingers and we count 5 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Jackson has 13 red crayons. We circle our answer. Cross out what we don't need. This is our Wednesday problem solving 7A. You will be responsible for 7B. Carmen is working on her art project. She needs 85 craft sticks. The packages of craft sticks are shown below. Which 3 packages should Carmen use to have exactly 85 craft sticks? So our question is asking, which 3 packages should Carmen use to have exactly 85 craft sticks? So she needs 85 craft sticks. Let's look at letter A. We're going to do our little Epsi, but we're going to, our choice board is what is called a choice board. So we have, let's start with the bigger number, 55 plus 15 plus 5. We can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Regroup our 10, 5, 6, 7. So letter A gives us 75 craft sticks. That is not enough for Carmen. Letter B, we'll start with the bigger number, 55, 25, and 5. We'll start with our 1s. 5, 10, 15. Our 1s stay here. We regroup our 10s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 85. So letter B says 85 craft sticks. That is what we need. So I'm going to put a check mark here, but I like to continue to check my work. So let's look at letter C. $35, $25, and $15. We can count by 5s, 5, 10, 15. Our 1s stay here. We regroup our 10s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 75. That is not enough craft sticks. Letter D. We start with the bigger number, 55, 25, and 15. We start with our 1s place always. 5, 10, 15. Carry our 1 or regroup our 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 95. That is too many. So our answer choice is letter B. This is Thursday problem solving 8A. You will be responsible for 8B. Troy wants to mail a letter to his friend in Canada. It costs 74 cents to mail the letter. Troy has the stamps shown below. Which 3 stamps should Troy use to mail his letter? Which 3 stamps? Well, like we did in our other problem, we're going to do our little choice board. Letter A, letter B, C, and D. We can do our tens chart. And we start with the biggest number, 30 cents, 24 cents, and 12 cents. We always start with our 1s. 0 plus 4 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we move over to our 10s. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So letter A is 66 cents. That is not enough. Letter B. 10s, 1s. We can do our place value chart. Start with the biggest number, 30 cents, 20 cents, and 12 cents. We start in our 1s place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then we move over to our 10s. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. This is 62 cents. Not enough. Letter C, tens and ones. We start with our biggest number, 42 cents, 20 cents, and 12 cents. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. That looks like a correct answer. Let's look at letter D. We have to check our work. Start with our place value chart. Start with the biggest number, 42 cents, 24 cents, and 20 cents. Always start with our ones. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. That is too many cents. So our correct answer is letter C.